taste the dirt as I hit the ground. You were there through it all. How far you gonna go before you know what you should have known all along? Now at last I can fall.
Love is something that is freely given, freely received, and we can't really know love unless there is that freedom to do that. And now, for both of you, freely before God, you're saying, I love you, and I'm gonna love you for the rest of my life.
Into your waiting arms, I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms.
It was this wild moment, like we never thought we'd hear those words coming over each other's mouths, and here he is, he's saying, he's like, I am falling in love. And from there, I've seen this love grow, evolve, turn into the thing that it is now.
You live like a drop of rain, love like a hurricane. Now you're home, in the place you should be. Don't let me go again. Can't wait until it's spent every day, making lifelong memories inside your waiting arms, waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed straight into your waiting arms. I'm headed to
Today I finally get to see you, Jen, walk down the aisle to the man of your dreams, and I know that the man more worthy of your love and intense loyalty is Gavin.
Protect your relationship, okay? As you would anything that you have of value. Guard your heart. After God, who's the most important thing in your life, the most important person in your life now is sitting right next to you. And don't ever forget that. Lots of people attested to that. That's the most important thing you got to go. We were camping just a couple weeks ago, and he's talking about how Jen compliments him and how he's so inspired by her, and he loves her gift sets and her abilities and attributes and the love that he had for her. For me to see that as one of his best friends meant a lot to me.
I smile every time I think of the first night that we kissed. You waited in the doorway till I finally pulled you in. I've never found a wine intoxicating as your lips. I knew right then I never want another pair of them.
I, Gavin, take you, Jen, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health.
I promise to put Christ as the center of our relationship and put your needs before Him. I promise to love and cherish you all the days of my life.
But baby, there's no way that I won't cry when I see you walking down that aisle. All eternity wrapped in one space and time. It's in your eyes, dressed in white, to be my bride.
Gavin, this ring that you're presenting to Jen today, you can go ahead and put it on her finger. It's a token of the sincerity of your vows. It represents the covenant you're entering today. You'll notice that it's fashioned in the form of a complete circle without beginning or end. It symbolizes the completeness of your love for each other.
So I took a knee, now I get to take your hand. And with you by my side, I'm stronger than I've ever been. Oh, but baby, there's no way that I won't cry when I see you walking down that aisle. All eternity wrapped in one space and time. It's in your eye, dressed in white, to be my bride. Oh, be my bride.
Well, I wish I had more time for funny Gavin stories, but simply put, Gavin has been exactly what an older brother should be. You're a hero, and I wish you two all the best, so cheers to the couple.
For as much as you, Jen Logan, and you, Gavin Neufeld, have stated your love for and commitment to each other, I, by the authority given to me by the province of British Columbia, and especially as a minister of our Lord Jesus Christ, pronounce you husband and wife. What God has joined, let no man separate. You may kiss the bride.
'Cause all that I want is for you to be happy. Give me a chance to show that you can be. Well, open your eyes.